Hello and welcome to the summary of week 15 of the Lucy Letby trial. Now this is going to be a long trial. We are already on week 15 and it is still the prosecution's case. So we are considering child I this week, and this is a murder charge. So remember, some of the children, some of the victims, it's a murder charge, and others it's an attempted murder charge. So child I, the prosecution are alleging that air was injected into their bloodstream. Now, the issue is that a doctor could not assign a clear cause of death, so they're still quite uncertain. They wanted a post-mortem, but a post-mortem was not carried out. So a nurse gave evidence and talked about the inconsolable crying that they heard from child I, and they said it was very unusual. And this crying in distress could make it very, very hard to breathe, and child I did seem stable. However, 30 minutes later, they collapsed and died. What must have been quite traumatic for the court was they said that this extreme crying meant that child I was in a great deal of pain. So that's pretty traumatic for the family to hear. And the prosecution alleged that air was administered via the feeding tube 3 times. Now, the court actually criticised one of the doctors because in 2021, the doctor gave a report in an unrelated case, so completely unrelated to the Letby trial, and the judge actually said that report had been worthless. The doctor denied, when questioned by or cross-examined by the defence, Casey, denied being a witness for the prosecution, and they said that their evidence was completely independent. So a pretty emotional week from the sounds of it in court.